Name is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm sick again, and I'm pretty sure it's because of the yellow dust and the lack of a mask across my face. Anyway, today I'm filming a video. I was sent this strange face chart. However, this time I am not going to show the face chart until I finish. I'm assuming it's Halloween themed, because it definitely does not look like something you would wear just outside. Random, I mean, like, just casually. This is something that's definitely very Halloween like. I don't know when I'm from Milk 1422. I don't know when he did it because I was sent this on Instagram, so I just have a screenshot of the face chart, but I know it's his style because his style is very obvious and it looks Halloween like, and I'm not going to show it in this video this time, or at least not right away, only because I want it to be a surprise. I want you to be able to see if you can guess what it is before I finish it. I mean, it's not something crazy that you wouldn't be able to get, but yeah. So anyway, I am going to be going into, oh, sorry, if you're new, my name is Nikki. I live in Korea. My channel is 95% makeup, beauty, skincare, 3% Korea, and 2% randomness. That's my life. And this is my channel. Welcome, stay. I don't have any cookies, but I have virtual cookies. Haha, I'm such a loser. Anyway, I'm going to be going into the blood sugar palette first. I'm going to be using this shade here, which is called Prick. By the way, if I sound strange, again, I'm sick, and the yellow dust is really affecting my throat, and so I just sound like Darth Maul right now. And that's okay. It's okay. It's fine. It's okay. It's not really fine. When my friends call me, they're like, is Nikki there? And it's me, but you know, you can't tell. Anyway, I'm going to be using Prick and one of my mermaid tail brushes and putting Prick not above the crease, just, well, a little bit above the crease. I'm gonna like make this my own only because that's what I do. Next, I'm going to be going into this shade here called Cola, and we're going to put that inside my crease using a different mermaid tail brush spray. Okay, so yeah, I did the concealer cover up off camera only because I have to get really close to the mirror to put concealer on my lids so I don't make any mistakes, because if you make a mistake and it'd be up here and then you'd be upset and you gotta start all over. Yeah, no, we ain't going for that. Next I'm going to be taking the ColourPop Soul palette and the shade Motel, which is this little baby right here, on a Vander brush. Again, I got these from AliExpress. I'm going to take that on a Vander brush that I sprayed with setting spray and put that all over this lovely concealer. Now this is one of the fun parts. There are two fun parts, at least for me, with this look. And right now I'm going to do brows. And in this face chart, again, I'm not going to show. I decided not to show the picture until I'm done. In this face chart, the brows are colored. They're colored red. So I'm going to be using these two lipsticks because I can't find I bought a gel from my Makeup Bunny, and you can it's a brow gel that's clear. You could put colors in there. It's some Korean brand. You can put colors in there to make, and I would use eyeshadow instead. But I can't find that gel. So I'm gonna be using lipsticks right now. Using the shades REDRUM and Anna Nicole, and a paintbrush. This is an actual paintbrush that I bought here in Korea, but it's Japanese brand, but whatever. Yeah. So the brows are done. I had to touch that one up again. I don't know if you saw in the video, but I kind of messed it up. I like the way they look. This is gonna be great. Again, I'm not gonna show the picture, so hopefully you're starting to figure out what this is. I'm going to go and do foundation off camera only because I don't feel the need to do that part in this video. Everybody has their own way of applying their foundation. So I'm gonna do that real quick and then I'll come back. So I basically did everything else off camera because why not? I'm going to go back into this lovely baby and I'm going to take this shade called Fresh Meat. Yes, Fresh Meat. And I'm going to put that on top of this black liner. Why? Because it looks like a deep dark red there instead of black. But I can't find my I'm losing everything. I can't find my burgundy eyeliner pencil, so I'm just gonna have to improvise.
And then right under the dark color, you're going to go back into Motel from the Soul palette and put that underneath. Like brush is rough. Very rough brush. Probably should wet the brush first, like I did for the lead, because it's not as bright as it is on the lead.
So I took my nose off and I did my highlight, at least the first half of my highlight. I don't think I would put any more on. Now's the fun part. About to make myself look real crazy, and that's okay because, but I'm going to go into this and I'm going to take my blush brush and I'm going to start off with cherry soda and prick mixed together, and I'm going to put that around my lips. Yes, around my lips. Not as a blush, it's going in this area. And then, oh, I look like I have a disease. Wow. Oh, that looks creepy. And then I'm going to take this lip liner from Intercolor, which Korean brand, And this matte lipstick from ColourPop, which is I Love Sarai times ColourPop, in the shade Mamacita. And I'm going to do my lips like you would normally do lips. So then I'm going to start taking, I already started, thought I was filming, wasn't. I'm going to take Anna Nicole and just go around the outside of my lips. And then bring this out a little bit. Do the same thing on the other side. I legit look like I have some type of infection. And you know what? I like it. I like it a lot. We're almost done. Actually, I can do this step now too. I'm going to be taking the same lipstick just as an outline. It's almost gone. And this is my second Anna Nicole, which is sad. So I'm going to, doesn't have to be perfect. I'm gonna fill it in with an eyeshadow. I'm not going to fill it in with the lipstick. Just need the general outline of it. And that'll work. I look like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Then I'm going to take this whole palette. I'm going to go back into Motel and fill in the nose. And I feel like this is gonna stain my face, but that's okay. That's totally, totally fine. Almost about to hit pan on Motel. I use this shade a lot. Up the nose a little bit. Okay. Here comes the fun part. Maybe not fun. Maybe I'm gonna hate this. There's like some detail, lots of detail actually, of white, and I'm going to be using another liquid lipstick and just putting it where there's white detailing. So, yeah. And this is the finished look. This is the face chart. This is the finished look. I look absolutely insane, but I kind of like it. I would totally wear this on a regular day, minus the nose. Like, I would even put the red. Yes, I look crazy, but I like it. I like it a lot. I wasn't expecting to like it. I've been really into stripes lately. This is so random, but all of my striped shirts, this one's really cute. They come from ASOS. And yeah, I've just been into stripes lately. And I felt like putting on a striped shirt for this look because why not? I don't know. That's it for this video. That's it for this look. I like it a lot. I like it. I think with the Halloween ones, I think I'm just not going to show the look until the very end. Only because, you know, it's like a surprise. I look like something's wrong with me. Or like I ate someone. But that's okay. If you want to see any more face charts, you want to tag me, send me, etc., etc. All of my information will be linked in the description box where you can find me, so you can send them to me, and this piece of hair just won't go down. That's fun. Anyway, that's it. That's all. Don't forget I have a giveaway going on. If you watch my last 2 videos, that's where the link is to Rafflecopter. There's going to be one winner from YouTube and one winner from Instagram. So, that's how that works. Anyway, that's it. That's all for this video. I'll see you all next time. Bye.